In today's video, we're going to be talking about the benefits of a powerful supplement that you may not have heard of before, Atomy Milk Thistle. Milk thistle has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues, but did you know that it also has some amazing benefits for your liver? Let's break down the science behind milk thistle and show you how Atomy's milk thistle supplement can help support your overall health and well-being. First off, let's talk about what milk thistle is. Milk thistle is a plant that is native to the Mediterranean region, and it's been used for centuries to treat liver and kidney problems. The active ingredient in milk thistle is called silymarin, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your liver cells from damage. One of the biggest benefits of milk thistle is its ability to support liver health. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins out of our body, and when it's not functioning properly, it can lead to a variety of health issues. Milk thistle can help to detoxify the liver, supporting its ability to function properly. Another benefit of milk thistle is its ability to support healthy skin. Silymarin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness and irritation in the skin. In addition, it can also help to protect the skin from UV damage. Atomy Milk Thistle supplement is a great choice for those looking for natural support for overall health. It is made from 100% pure milk thistle extract, ensuring you get the maximum benefits from this powerful herb. It's also gluten-free, non-GMO, and made in a GMP-certified facility, so you can trust that you're getting a high-quality supplement. In conclusion, Atomy Milk Thistle supplement is a great way to support your overall health and well-being. It's a natural way to detoxify the liver, support healthy skin, and protect your body from toxins. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, I'll link it in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a thumbs up, and like and share with your friends. For more natural health remedies, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.